There's a special time in Thailand at the end of the year, particularly November, where it's not only harvest time, there's also a time of celebration where they give the monks at the temples new wardrobes and celebrate. And there's also Loy Krathong celebration, which is the celebration of water, that they release lanterns. And I want you to experience this like I did, so let's check it out. We're going to start this journey in the rice field. It's really beautiful this time of year. If you've never been out to the Isan rice fields in Thailand or even in Laos or Cambodia, it's similar scenery, then I think you should get out. If you're a traveler, then it's only an hour flight to a couple different airports. Here's an example of the rice right here that was harvested. And you can fly up to Roet, you can fly to Buriram, you can fly to Ubon and explore those areas. In November is when this happens. Thai chili, little patch right here. Kind of just letting them grow wild. Yeah, in just a minute I'm going to show y'all how the rice is harvested with the rice tractor. It's pretty cool, so stick around. They're growing all the vegetables over this way, but then they have the main crop is either in this area, it's either rice, you see the rice, pretty out there this time of year, or it's sugar cane, which you see way over there in that standing tall, that sugar cane. And then you have banana over there scattered around. Oh, it's very green this time of year. Got jackfruit. It's good. You can grow almost anything out here if you got the right soil and the will to do it. Oh man. Where's there a toilet when I need one? Look at all the papaya on that tree. And there's several back over there too. Away from the rat race of the concrete cities. Rice, they're drying in the road. And they just harvest the rice over here. You see now the field looks kind of brown. Yeah. And this brown is real green. Maybe show a shot of that a couple weeks ago now. The harvest has come.
อบบุญสงฆ์ยานวโรนะครับวัดวีมาได้จากนักประการอิมินาตกาเลนะสังฆังอภิปูชยามามิสุจิตุกัปปะยาอิสเนนะสาวันจาติอามิยาจามาโอติยาปิปัญญาปันเตมิสุจิตุกัปปะยาอิสเนนะสาวันจาติอามิยาจา
We're at one of the Loy Krathong Festivals. It's a celebration of water and continuous water in the river and blessing from the season change, I think, after Lent and the full moon. And you see the full moon up here. Anyway, we're going to walk around. You let lanterns go in either the lake or the river. So they have like a canal thing over here. All right, let me go find who I'm with. But it gives another reason for everybody to party and serve food too. So it's a good thing. It's anytime there's a celebration, they set up food and all that. There's more food down here, I think. You release your little float. It's made out of a banana trunk with flowers and a candle and incense. Come down on this little dock and release your little lantern. There goes ours. People waiting to release their lanterns and float. You can also buy these little bags of fish to release them for like good fortune. Alright, let's go check out what's over here. Couple street performers. Oh, I want one of these in a minute. This right here is like roasted sticky rice. It's sweet and it's got also sometimes beans in it. It's pretty good. Grilled squid. And I don't know what that is. Oh, it's mussels, I think. They got sausage. Some bugs over here. Some grubs, exactly what I need. And some crickets to choke on. I've tried them though. Sometimes they're not bad. Especially with sticky rice. All right, let's keep moving. Good. Ooh. Oh, look over here, fresh green mango. They're making spicy green mango salad McMullen. It's kind of sour and spicy, but it's pretty good. I like it. Ooh, McMullen. That thing, it's boiling up here. Got it going on. It looks great. I eat chicken all the time though, fried chicken. It's awesome. KFC and churches, you better watch out. And this lady's got a huge sum-tum mortar. A huge mortar, bigger than my mortar. I guess you need that if you're running a stall. Good stuff. A lot of good food out here tonight. All right. You got buttery corn over here too. I don't know if you can see it. I can't get over there. Kind of good food. Ah, look, we got some satay chicken and pork, some hot dogs, meat on a stick, all kinds of good stuff. This right here was like kind of like a donut with a hot dog inside, but it was really kind of really soft, and they had just fried them up. It was pretty good. I liked it. So I'll try to put more information about these festivals and celebrations in the description. But if you're wondering about it, you could probably do an internet search. It usually happens around the 1st to the 4th week of November. The content of this video, you can find it all around Thailand. They celebrate this kind of stuff. And I encourage you to get out there and check this out if you ever have an opportunity. So now I'm going to find a hammock and try to just chill out where time slows down and take it easy. I appreciate you guys watching. You guys take care.